Hey guys, welcome to DoxologyCreations. My name is Natalie D and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. It is my first YouTube channel and I'm very excited. I'm very nervous at the same time, but I'm glad to have you guys. Today I will be demoing this look that is inspired by Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I know it's not October now, but this was filmed in October, so I'll pull over and park here for a little while and just say, you know, to those who are fighting breast cancer, keep on fighting, you know, don't give up. And to those who have survived, thank God, and keep on surviving. You guys are in my thoughts and my prayers. Now also, I'm gonna pull over and say, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can keep up basically with when I post new videos. We're gonna go into this tutorial. It's going to be a minor talk through, nothing too in-depth. Yeah, so without further ado, let's go. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my brows off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime with the NYX Honey Dew Me Up because I'm going somewhat for a dewy look today. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush, just spread that all over my face and get the desired area. When I initially bought this primer, I'm not really used to this kind of primer. I usually use anything matte, so like the Maybelline All Day Matte Foundation or the Becca or the Forever 21. You're Forever 21. Makeup Forever. That's funny. Funny. Matte primer. So when I initially got this and I spread it all over my face, initially I didn't let it dry, and I applied the foundation to this wet surface because I thought that's how to apply it. Needless to say, it did not come out good. So lesson that I learned about this primer: let it dry, you know, and as it dries it's gonna give me somewhat of a natural glow. I'm going to go ahead and color correct my under eye as it's a little bit dark. I'm going to use the Pro Concealer from LA Girl. Yeah, the orange color corrector. I'm just doing underneath my eyes. Alright. And my eyelids because they are a little bit dark. I'm gonna go ahead with my Luxie 249 brush, flat end of that brush, and just blend it out. Kind of spread it out evenly under the area or around the area of my eye. You might be able to hear the raindrops outside. Oh, such a beautiful thing. I love being in the house and it's raining. Some people like the sunshine. I like the rain. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, I'm gonna go in now that my primer has dried. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Full Filter and Chocolate Mousse. And with this particular foundation, one pump can actually get the job done. So I'm gonna go ahead, I put it on the back of my hand to warm it up, and I'm gonna start just putting it all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush and just blend that out. One of my favorite thing about this foundation is at its full coverage. Like, I didn't even have to color correct the spots on my face. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and conceal or highlight underneath my eyes with the NARS Creamy Concealer in Caramel. And it's so funny, I just got onto this NARS Creamy Concealer and I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. I like it a lot. I like the coverage. And it is, as the name suggests, it's very creamy and very thick. So a little on my chin. I think it dries quickly too, so I kind of like to go in with a damp beauty blender. Some people maneuver it with the brush. Again, it's whatever you desire. If the brush works better for you, then go right ahead. For me personally, I just think it spreads evenly with the beauty blender. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour with the black opal True Color Suede Mocha. Where did this area come from? Cha. No, come on. Okay. Gonna take my e.l.f. Not exactly sure what kind of brush this is, but I know that it's for contour. It has no number and it's from e.l.f. Going back over again with the beauty blender to blend out any harsh lines between the contour and the highlight. And I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Ah boy, sorry. I'm going to set my contour with the same, well, the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but the deep medium. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 2 brush in order to set that. I'm doing that, I'm dusting away the contour, the highlights, I'm sorry, that I put down here. So just give it more soft and even blend. I'm gonna go ahead and dust away the highlight from underneath my eye as well. So I do use it to set my contour, but I do use it to set the entire face as well. You know? Okay, so that's it for the face for now. I'm gonna go in on the eyes. I'm gonna prime my lids with the same NARS Creamy Concealer. I don't bake too often, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna bake. Usually I start with the eyes first and then work my way to the face, but today I decided to do something very different, clearly. Yeah. So for transition powder, I'm gonna go in and with my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession, this color right here. You can see it? Yeah, there. And I'm gonna use a Sigma Blending E25 brush. I'm gonna go in a little bit above my crease line. Okay, for the second color, I'm gonna go in on my Beige Cosmetics 120 shadow palette. I'm gonna use this pink right here. Which part today? Which part today? Right yourself. Right here. I'm gonna take my E55 Sigma brush and put that directly on my lids. And I'm going to use patting motions to put that on my lids. I'm not going to sweep, I'm just patting it on the lid. Okay, now that I've finished that, I'm going to use a clean brush and blend basically both colors together so they have a seamless look. With the E70 brush, I'm going to actually take a darker pink. This pink right here, this one just underneath the color that I used. It looks lighter, but it's actually darker. And go in the crease with it. Going back with my blending brush, my E70, to just blend that out, just to make sure it's seamless and all the colors. So these are the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I'm gonna use the NYX matte liner in black. gonna go in with my Maybelline Black Drama Fall Z Volume mascara. I use a pair of lashes from Kiss Cosmetics, Little Black Dress, and my dual lash glue. Personally, I always put them down for like a good 30 seconds and try to dust off my face. I'm gonna go back in with that color that I used in the crease to brighten it up. Just gonna put it just beneath my lash. My lash line. And on my lash line, I'm gonna go with my MAC Feline pencil directly on the lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna switch back, go to my lashes. So while it sits on the lash and dries, that same lid color, I'm going to go back while smoking out. Go back on the inside of my eye while smoking out the feline. Oh, and by the way, yeah, I may use my E30 brush to do that here. Hey guys, so I do apologize for that cutout, but my battery died, so I went ahead and I finished up the makeup clearly, and this is the finished look. So I really enjoyed you guys joining me today, and I pray that you liked it. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, comment below. If you like it, tell a friend to tell a friend. And also go ahead, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can get updated on when I post new videos. Again, thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again, God's willing. Take care.